stop. Not in a minute. Not after this video. Right now. Because in this exact second, you're either building your future or quietly signing it away to distractions. And that's what makes this terrifying. You don't feel it happening. No failure, no humiliation, no dramatic wake-up call. Just a slow, invisible slide toward an average life. So smooth that you'll convince yourself everything is fine. 5 years from now, there is a version of you who remembers this moment. Same talent, same dreams, same potential, but worse results, worse habits, weaker discipline. And they won't blame luck. They'll replay this exact moment in their head and think, I should have locked in. That version of you didn't lose in one day. They didn't collapse. They didn't fail dramatically. They quietly lost a battle they didn't even know they were in. The battle for your focus. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, I'm going to give you a simple 5-minute method that can flip this battle in your favor. No motivation, no suffering, no toxic grind culture, just control. And here's the uncomfortable truth no one tells you. You're not wasting time. You're bleeding your future in tiny, invisible seconds. You open your phone for 2 minutes, 30 minutes, vanish. You say, I'll start tomorrow, and whole versions of your life disappear. And the worst part? Your own brain is playing against you. Every time you scroll, you get instant dopamine. No effort, no struggle, no earning it. So when you sit to study, when you try to work, when you try to build something real, your brain rebels, it gets bored, it gets itchy, it gets uncomfortable. And you call yourself lazy. No, you're not lazy, you're overstimulated. Pause. If you're thinking, this doesn't apply to me, that thought is exactly why it does. Now picture this clearly. There are two versions of you walking through life. The first version wakes up half asleep, grabs their phone before they even think, tries to study for 10 minutes, gets distracted, and ends the day drained, but empty-handed. The second version wakes up with intention, works deeply even when it's boring, builds momentum brick by brick, and goes to bed proud instead of guilty. Same person, same potential, completely different future. So answer honestly. Which version are you becoming right now? Most people don't fail in one big moment. There's no explosion, no dramatic collapse. They just drift, slowly, quietly, comfortably, straight into mediocrity. That's why this matters. If you're still here, good. That means a part of you refuses to be average. Here's how you actually take back your focus. Think of this as a mental factory reset. First, choose one important task. Set a timer for 10 minutes. No phone, no music, no, I don't feel like it. Just begin, because starting beats everything. Second, lock your environment. Phone in another room, desk clean. Only what you need in front of you. Your willpower is weak. Your environment must be ruthless. Third, do one hard thing today, not 10. Not a fantasy to-do list. 1. Difficult. High value. Non-negotiable. Do that every day, and your life changes automatically. Now really think about this. If you did just one hard thing every single day for 90 days, who would you become? Calmer, sharper, more disciplined, more respected, especially by yourself. That version of you isn't in the future. It's waiting for your next decision. And if you're thinking, this sounds good, but I probably won't do it, that thought is why most people stay stuck forever. Because people don't fail from lack of knowledge. They fail from lack of systems. Motivation is emotional. Motivation is unstable. Motivation disappears on bad days. Discipline is built, like muscle. This video was meant to wake you up. The next one is meant to transform you. So, if you actually want to become disciplined, not just feel hyped for 10 minutes, go watch my video. How to build discipline in 3 days. I break it down step by step. No fake hustle, no motivational junk. Just a clean system that rewires your habits. I didn't make it to impress you. I made it to change your life trajectory. Now, here's your real choice. Close this video and keep scrolling, or click the next one and start becoming the person you know you're capable of. Your future is watching.